Hey guys, Chad Jenkins, SeedSpark collab. Today we're going to unpack reach at a pretty high level. Reach is one of my most favorite components of the VCR formula. And if you recall, vision multiplied times capability multiplied times reach. When we think about reach, Dean and I have had many conversations about this, and now we've established the four types of reach. When I say we, I mean primarily he. I just like to practically apply it. So the four types of reach, if you really think about it's you're extending your trust relationship that you have with one or more people to something or someone else. And the types of reach that you might have or that you already do have, the first type is, do you have access to someone's eyeballs? I have a friend that sends a ton, and you can laugh, paper invoices, over 3,000 a month. So he has access to 3,000 controllers and or admins in accounting who are receiving those invoices and putting them in the system. That's reach to someone's eyeballs. I have another friend. He has over 300 HVAC trucks that primarily focus on higher end neighborhoods. So he's got that type of reach and access to eyeballs. I think those trucks stay out front in the house for an average of an hour and 47 minutes last time we checked. So that's a lot of reach to someone's eyeballs in that demographic. If you move on from that, do you have reach to someone's mind? In essence, when you write things and put them out, think of an influencer. When you write things and put things out, they actually read it. Or the next one, do you have access to someone's heart? When you speak, they take action. That's incredible reach. And then the last one, which is the absolute most sexy, is DNA reach. An example of that, a long time ago, Goodyear tires were put on every Ford truck in America. So therefore, if you had something that would improve Goodyear tires, if you were able to combine or collaborate with them, you immediately got your product or service delivered to every Ford truck in America because Goodyear had DNA reach to Ford trucks. So, again, a high level overview of reach. I hope that empowers you to take action today to do one, understand the reach that you have that you could leverage for collaboration to add or improve somebody else's outcome where you get to split the outcome, and or think about your wildest dreams and what would happen if you found the person with that type of reach, combining it with what you have and creating what you want with their reach lets you go from zero to 1,000 or 10,000 or a million or even beyond, similar to Nike recently and Kim Kardashian's Skims. If I recall correctly, it added $6.7 billion of market cap in one day. That's crazy reach. These are the power, or this is the power that you have leveraging the VCR formula, both with your reach and spotting and identifying others' reach to help you get to your goals much, much faster than the convention. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to understand more and learn more about collaboration, we have many other video series here on our YouTube channel.